everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a few more car accessories. My hair's wet because I've got out of the shower, don't worry about that. But yeah, let's get into the video. So up first we've got this aux, it's like a USB aux thingy, so I can connect my phone by Bluetooth, I can play my music, I can call, hands-free basically, it says it all there. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy one of these for yourself, but yeah, I'll show you how this works. Oh, and we also got a USB port to put into my cigarette lighter, so we can actually, sorry that was upside down, so we can actually use this because it needs to be USB and I don't have any USB ports, so yeah. Right, so this was a hassle to get in for some reason, but this is the new USB port in my cigarette lighter. I think it looks pretty cool. I like how it's red, it matches the rest of the red on the car, you know, it looks pretty cool. Yes, my car does need a clean, don't worry about that, but yeah, red to match my car, yes. Now, this is the actual, I don't even know what you would call this, but it's, let me read what it is. This is called a Bluetooth receiver auto adapter. So I will stick this somewhere in the car, on the dash maybe. I'm thinking about here somewhere. And yeah, you plug the USB into the USB port and aux into here. I'll show you how it works now. So now that that's all connected, we have this. I just need to switch the car on to show you how it works. Another great thing about this USB port is that it won't stay on if I turn the car off. It'll always be off unless the car's on. So now, as you can see, it lights up with the blue LEDs, which looks even cooler. And this is the piece of resistance. Now this needs to be connected to my phone for me to show you how it works, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You get a call, you can answer it and decline by this button. You can skip your songs, you can go back a song, volume up, volume down, and yeah, it's pretty good actually. And also this is a microphone at the bottom, so when you're speaking through the call, that is what your microphone will be basically. So yeah, this is going to come in handy because I don't have Bluetooth in my car, that's why I bought this. I'm most likely going to stick it up here, to be honest with you, because in the box, I will show you now, in the box you get these two adhesive sticky pads. So you stick one onto the back of here and then you stick it to anywhere you want it in your car. But yeah, also there's some instructions how to use it, but I don't need them because I know how to use it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy one of these for yourself, and if you want to buy one of them USB ports for yourself, I will leave a link for that as well. One problem is I need to figure out where these wires are going to go. I don't know whether I'm going to like hide them down there, or I don't know what I'm going to do with the wires yet because they're pretty long. We'll figure that out eventually. Most likely you're going to see that in the next video. I'm going to buy some more accessories probably. They're going to be in this video. I'm not too sure yet, but you will see. So yeah. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments who you want to see more of. And if you want these accessories, they'll be in the description as per. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.